Question 7. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by r cubed. It's quite nice that they give you the formula in the question. It saves you having to remember things like this, but it's always a good idea to try and make sure that you know these off by heart beforehand, just in case. A steel sphere, radius 9 centimeters, is shown. Work out the volume of the sphere. So for 2 marks, we need to substitute the 9 into our equation. So we're given 4 divided by 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 9 cubed. Now you could leave pi in this format for your answer. It's completely acceptable, or use the pi button on your calculator to give a decimal answer. Either solution is completely fine. If you look at your calculator, we can do 4 divided by 3, multiply this by pi, multiply it by 9 cubed. So this is 9 to the power of 3. Quite a large answer here, but try to give your answer to a reasonable level of accuracy. In this case, 3053.63 is a good enough answer. If you decided that you wanted to leave your answer in the form of pi, you would have to work out 9 cubed and multiply it by 4/3. Both answers should be acceptable in a calculator exam. For question 7b, we're told the density of the steel is 7.8 grams per centimetre cubed. Work out the mass of the sphere. Now, density is another one of these formulae that you're expected to know, but you can work it out based upon the units. What we're told here is that density is equal to grams, which is mass, divided by centimetres cubed, which is volume. With a little bit of rearranging here, we can create a formula that tells us what mass is. We just need to multiply both sides by volume, and that'll leave us with mass is equal to density multiplied by volume. Again, just whatever answer you worked out for the volume in the first part of the question, use that here and you will not lose any marks. So the density, we are told, is 7.8, and we multiply this by the volume from our previous question, and this will give us our answer. Now, assuming that you've left the number in the calculator, you can just use the full accurate version. Otherwise, just write in what you wrote down. So we multiply this number by 7.8, which gives us a solution here of 23,818.3. This would be 30 to 2 decimal places, so that would be 23 kilograms. But because it asks it in grams, we leave it as 23,818.3 to give us our 2 marks.